In order to request money on Chime, the first thing you need to do is you need to be sure that you have the Chime app installed and that you are logged into an account. Afterwards, please go to the bottom menu, then press over here where it says move. Scroll down just a little bit and you'll see this section that says send or request money. Please go ahead and press on it. From here, you'll see this section that says request. So you just want to go ahead and press on it. All right, when you do that, it is then going to open up your entire contact list. And you want to go ahead and select on the contact who you want to request money from, or you can search the person through their email, their name, or their Chime tag. So those are all great options that you're able to go ahead and use. All right, so I selected my contact right over here, and all you need to do is you need to enter the amount that you would like to request, press on next, and then you should be good to go. Now, if the recipient isn't yet on Chime, then it's actually going to give you an invite button where you're able to go ahead and provide them with a link where they're able to go ahead and create a Chime account so that you're actually able to get your payment. But from there, you should be good to go. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.